It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to be doing a Amazon cheap tool review. And basically, it's a Swoker 10-piece carbide bit set for your die grinder. I got this for Christmas. I put it on my wish list. They were asking for ideas, and I looked and I thought that would be a good thing to get and use. But let's open it up and take a look and see how good it looks. This is what you get. It's in a package, and it's got a QR code so you can look up manuals and all kinds of stuff. I don't know how many manuals you need for a bit set, but it is kind of cool that there's actually a contact information because a lot of those Amazon places don't. Okay, so it comes in a plastic case, which is pretty good shape, and it comes with a hardwood wooden block. And I like the idea that they put all their information on everywhere. They have it on the block, they have it on the front of the case. Nothing worse than buying something from Amazon. You can't kind of get a hold or get in contact with the company of the stuff you just purchased if you have a problem or whatever. So it's kind of nice that they have it on the back of here, they have it on here, they have it on the outside of the case. So they seem a little more responsive than a lot of Amazon sellers. Okay, so you got this hardwood wooden block that holds them. And even, oh man, I just made a mess. Okay, so even this case is a decent case to hold them. It is handy to have all these different shaped carbides because you can get into different holes and try to clean up in awkward spots. Basically, this one and probably this one are the two that you're gonna be using the most. So I'm just gonna put them there. But they come with a whole bunch of different size. Here's a blunt one to kind of clean up the bottom of a hole. And this is just almost like a little smaller version of it. These here you probably won't use as much, but look at that. It's got a little ball one, tapered, another smaller square one, another little tapered one, and more of a blunt one that the end can clean up the bottom of a hole. So you know what? That actually looks pretty good. But it's kind of handy to have all the different bits, all the different sizes, and especially some of these where you can get into a small little area, clean it up, even to weld or cut in, to a crack that's in something. You can actually... Okay, so there you go. I kind of dropped these suckers. That could be a problem, but you know what? If you're not clumsy, it could probably be okay. Did I lose one? I lost one. My gracious. It must be under the bench. I'll be back. Alright, so there you go. I'm back. Probably going to be dropping these a lot. Anyways, I think this is going to be handy to have around the shop. Just to get in those small areas, you have all the different sizes you need. At my work, they bought one of these, this exact set, and I looked at it, and the burrs look really good. And that's a bunch of guys using these burr bits. So, my guess is they are pretty decent. I can't really show you longevity because my goal isn't to destroy them. But it is going to be handy to have all the different bit sets, and it is only $29.99. So I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm going to post this to Amazon. I make a small commission if you click on the link. So look in the description. You guys have a good one.